Two major drug companies, arch competitors, and also Dow Components, they're teaming up. Pfizer and Merck have agreed to work together to test a new combination cancer therapy. Investors pushed Pfizer shares up 1%, making it the best performing stock on the blue chip index. Merck's rose a fraction of 1%. Meg Terrell has all the details.
They're some of the biggest names in pharmaceuticals, Pfizer and Merck. Often rivals, they're coming together now to battle cancer. The companies said today they plan to collaborate to test two drugs in combination, Pfizer's Xalkori and Merck's pembrolizumab.
As the scientific community learns more about cancer, I think they're finding new ways to treat cancer, and a lot of it has to do with combination therapy. The combination therapy allows drugs to work on multiple mechanisms of action so that they can have a more effective way of treating the cancer over the long term.
Pfizer's drug is approved to treat certain forms of lung cancer. It's a targeted therapy aiming at a genetic mutation thought to drive the disease. Merck's therapy is under review now at the FDA. It's in a new class called immunotherapies, drugs that harness the immune system to fight cancer. It's also known by its target, PD-1.
PD-1 is a molecule found relatively recently that seems to tamp down immune responses. And so if you block it, under circumstances where there's an immune response already there directed against the tumor, if you block that, then you can now reveal that immune response, and the effects can be quite dramatic.
The burgeoning field of immunotherapy drugs also means big business. Morningstar analyst Damian Conover estimates Merck's therapy could draw $5 billion in annual revenue. And other drugs from Bristol Myers, AstraZeneca, and Roche, he says, could bring the market to almost $20 billion. Merck and Pfizer are building on collaborations already in place on two other Pfizer therapies and the same Merck compound.
The results that we have seen with PD-1 blockade are so remarkable. My view was that we needed to do everything that we could to understand that for the benefit of cancer patients around the world.
Roger Perlmutter, president of Merck Research Laboratories, told us that after learning how the drug works on its own, combinations are the future for this technology.
If we can understand how best to use this therapy, we'll be able to add to that other therapies, not only those that we've developed, but those that we can identify that other people have developed where we can partner with them or acquire those therapies. I think the opportunities are enormous.
The hope is that in fighting cancer, two drugs are better than one. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.